Hello everyone and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make box braids from scratch. Anyways, my customer's hair is given. Look at her hair. So I just sectioned out the front part from the back part to enable the hair become fuller, and now I'm going ahead to box braid the back part of the hair. I'm just parting the hair now, making sure it's not too big and it's not also too small. Normally she wanted medium-sized braid, but her hair is very full that I did medium small. I don't know if you guys understand. Yes, I did medium small. I'm just parting that out now, and the rest of the video is self-explanatory. But anyways, I'll try to explain furthermore. So I've sectioned out the first row. What I do is I share the hair in two equal parts, like mirror. Then I decide if I should make a middle braid or not. In this case, I'm making a middle braid, meaning the first row will consist of 3 braids. I'm just making the first braid now. And you guys know I don't have a salon yet, so my customers have to help me with the extensions. Shout out to you all. So I'm just gonna do that, and yes. First braid done. I had to get myself tea. I love tea. If you know me, you know that I'm a tea lover. So I'm going ahead to braid my hair while drinking my tea, sipping my tea, not alcohol. Right now I'm parting the second row. So this row consists of 4 braids. That means there'll be no middle braid. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Yes, so I'm just gonna do that, and see, I'm just gonna section in 2 equal parts like a mirror braid. Then I make 2 braids on each side. Like I said, my customer wanted a medium braid, but her hair is so full, so what I'm going up, I'm making it a bit smaller because I want her to have hair quite long. Finally, the long awaited step is here. Here I'm going to show you guys how to make a knotless braid from scratch. So you see, I kind of like section it in 3 sections like that. Then I just braid it normally. I'm sure you guys know how to braid hair. Then I take a tiny piece of extension and put that between my index finger and my thumb. You see, then I just braid that. That's how to make knotless. Then I do this step again, get another tiny extension, put it between my index finger and the other part I used to braid the one at the top of my hand. You see, part of my video, I don't know why the video is blurred, but So just continue this step. I'll still show that again later, so just stay tuned and you see a clearer video later. I hope this is well, like you guys understand my step when I'm trying to teach you guys. I'm not a good teacher, please pardon me. Continuously, this is how I add my extension. I don't have time to be doing this like knotless. At the end it looks the same. If you're really good at it, then you're good at it. I'm really good at adding my extensions that you will not see it except you take a microscope or just like really take a good look. You wouldn't see how I add, but I just add like this. If you know how to add like this, then don't stress yourself trying to make this knotless adding. It's only going to waste your time. I don't know, for me this is faster. If you take a look, you see it's hard to see where I added it, so why waste my time doing this knotless? Anyways, pardon this video. Later on you're gonna see a well filmed tutorial, so just hold on a bit. Thank you. So I skipped some steps and almost 3 hours later these were I'm just happy that the braid's almost finished. I'm so excited, guys. So these are the last 2 rows. What I'm doing is I'm just going to see how I'm just going to pat the center row, like the middle parts between the braid at the back. You guys see that, right? I'm just going to make sure I clear the line well, make sure the part is really in the middle. Like I don't want her head to be looking bent. You know how it is when your middle part is not really like in the middle of your head. I feel so uncomfortable. I'm just making sure I'm patting it really well, then I go ahead to braid. I'm doing the step tutorial. So this video is slower, but I'm showing you guys how to braid. Like you see, the braids before this row I'm about to braid now are 4. So I'm just gonna make this last row 5. You see, so it should be covered. Like, see how I showed you guys? It has to be in the middle of the line. The new braid has to be in the middle of the line to cover up the gap, else the hair is looking, I don't know. Many people like it, but I don't like it. I always make sure it's like, how will I say, like cube, you know, not arranged together, but like what will I say, a puzzle. You understand? Yes, I'm just patting the hair now, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make the tutorial video. Finally, here we are. So you see, this is a detailed video. I just sectioned that in 3, and then I go ahead to braid using my middle finger to hold the braid down so it doesn't like slip out or slip off. See, I'll just add my extension. I hold that with my index and my thumb. Yeah, it's the other part of my body. And then I add the other part of the extension to the braid on top of my index and my middle finger. See, while braiding that, I make sure I use my middle finger to hold the braids together and make sure to remove every other braid. I don't use pin, sometimes I do, but just make sure to clear the hair and make sure no other strands of hair are coming in while braiding. That's it. I'm sure this video is self-explanatory, guys. See? Well filmed. So I just continue doing that. Yes. While braiding, make sure you're holding it really tight, like not so tight else it squeezes, you know, but tight enough to make sure the hair is intact and won't fly out. This is how I add, guys. You see, that's what I was trying to explain before. See, I just put that a little bit down. You wouldn't know the way I added. It's like knotless adding. This is why I do this, because I'm really good at this. So, and it saves me a lot of time than trying to add this knotless from the back. Even from the back adding self, sometimes you're gonna see it, you see it. So this is it, guys. I'll make this video all through this row, then I'll show you guys the final product of the hair. while braiding the other part, please make sure to mirror, braid it exactly the way you braid the first line. It's a center part. Thank you for staying tuned. Please like my video, share, support me. This is the final product. Oh my god, so pretty. I'm so proud of myself, and my customer isn't taking it any easier on us. She's so pretty. Thank you guys for staying tuned. I love you.